Hi there and welcome. If you're a W-2 employee working for a corporation, chances are your employer offers you a benefits package. But let's be honest, most people click through the options during onboarding or open enrollment without really understanding what they're signing up for. Today, we're going to break it all down so you can make smarter, more informed decisions about your coverage. Let's start with one of the most important topics, health insurance. Section 1, Health Insurance Plans. Know the difference. Most employers offer a few different types of health plans, and understanding the differences can save you money and frustration later. A PPO, or Preferred Provider Organization, gives you the flexibility to see any doctor, whether they're in-network or not. You don't need a referral to see a specialist, but this flexibility usually comes with a higher monthly premium. An HMO, or Health Maintenance Organization, usually has lower premiums and out-of-pocket costs. However, you're required to choose a primary care physician and get referrals to see specialists. It's a good choice if you're okay with staying inside a defined network of providers. An EPO, or Exclusive Provider Organization, falls somewhere in between. You don't need referrals, but you won't have any out-of-network coverage unless it's a true emergency. You'll need to choose your doctors carefully because you're locked into the plan's provider network. Here's a quick tip. If you have ongoing medical needs or see specialists often, a PPO might be worth the extra cost. If you're generally healthy and want to save money, an HMO or EPO could be a better fit. Section 2, Disability Insurance. Protecting your income. Most employers offer two types of disability insurance, short-term and long-term. Short-term disability typically covers a portion of your income for several weeks to a few months if you can't work due to an illness, injury, or even maternity leave. Long-term disability kicks in after short-term benefits end. It can continue paying a portion of your income for years, even up to retirement, depending on the policy. Your income is your greatest financial asset, and while group disability coverage is helpful, it often replaces only 40 to 60% of your paycheck. That's why it's important to understand what you're covered for and where the gaps might be. Section 3, Life Insurance. A good start, but not the full picture. Many employers include a basic life insurance policy as part of your benefits, usually 1 or 2 times your annual salary, at no cost to you. You can often purchase more through what's called voluntary life insurance, but keep in mind, these are group policies. That means you don't actually own the policy, your employer does. Your coverage ends when your employment ends, and it may not be enough to meet your family's financial needs. That's why many professionals also purchase private life insurance. It gives you control, flexibility, and, most importantly, continuity. You keep your coverage no matter where you work, and you can structure the policy around your long-term goals. Section 4. Other common workplace benefits. Your employer may also offer additional benefits that can add value and protect you further. Dental and vision coverage is usually affordable and worth having, especially if your family uses these services regularly. Accident and critical illness insurance can provide extra payouts if you experience a major health event, like a heart attack, cancer, or serious injury. These policies don't replace your health insurance, but they can help with unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. Lastly, look into whether your plan includes an FSA or HSA, flexible spending or health savings accounts. These allow you to use pre-tax dollars for eligible healthcare expenses. Final thoughts. Making the right choices. If you're unsure about your options, don't guess. Reach out to your HR department. They are literally there to help you understand and choose the right coverage. And remember, most of these benefits only last while you're employed. If you leave your job, retire, or get laid off, many of these coverages will end with your employment. That's why it's smart to build a personal financial safety net outside of work, something that stays with you regardless of your job status. If you want help reviewing your benefits or comparing supplemental options outside of the workplace, you need to talk to a team like ours at Independent Brokers of Orlando. We help working professionals review their workplace coverage, identify gaps, and build personal protection strategies with life insurance, disability coverage, and more. Because your life, your family, and your goals shouldn't be tied to your job. Visit independentbrokersofOrlando.com to learn more, compare your options, and build a plan that actually fits your life. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't just accept the default. Make a plan that actually works for you.